In this demo, we will demonstrate how to add Wi-Fi connectivity using the USB interface of the IM-100 using the RNDIS function. This function enables a virtual Ethernet link using the USB interface, allowing customers to add Wi-Fi connectivity to their USB products without any driver development. The IM-100 EVB is equipped with an Ethernet connector and two USB Type-C connectors. Pin headers for various GPIO signals are also provided. Next, we will show you how to connect the IM-100 EVB to the USB port of a Windows PC and connect to the internet wirelessly using the USB port using the RNDIS bridging function. First, connect the two USB Type-C ports on the IM-100 EVB to the USB ports of your PC. The USB Type-C port, close to the wired Ethernet, is for RNDIS communication, and the other is for power and command control. When the IM-100 EVB is connected to the USB port of the PC, it starts automatically. When the IM-100 EVB starts, enter control commands from the terminal software like TerraTerm to configure the IM-100. Select 115200 for the baud rate setting of the serial port. Enable RNDIS bridge mode. Do this by entering ATS111 equals 1 in the terminal console. Once OK appears, enter AT and W to save the settings. After successfully saving the settings, enter ATZ and restart the IM-100 EVB. Once the reboot is complete, it will be recognized as Ethernet on your PC. Next, connect to the access point. Execute the ATWAWPA command and enter information, such as the SSID of the access point to be connected. Hit Enter. When OK is displayed, the connection to the access point is successful. If the connection to the access point is successful, communication from the PC to the wireless LAN network is possible. Now you've successfully added Wi-Fi connectivity using the USB interface of the IM-100 without any driver development using the RNDIS functionality.